Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on sound. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see, after tapping on advanced, we've got the whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, the phone ringtone, but also for the notifications and alarms. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the phone ringtone. So simply tap on it, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones which are defaultly installed on this device. What's more, we can tap on none, so after choosing this option, your device won't notify you, won't announce you that someone is calling you. So I don't really think it is the best option to choose. And at the very bottom, we've got add ringtone option, and after tapping here, you will be transferred to your files, and if you will have any compatible ones, you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and now in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation will be with notifications and alarms. Just tap on it, you've got the full list. Under the defaultly installed ones, we've got add ringtone option, and at the very top we've got none. So the same situation, just tap on it if you'd like to listen, and if you'd like to choose and change, just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on OK. And the same situation, as you can see, it is immediately changed. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.